Sometimes you're going to be asked to, in Excel, come up with some of the descriptive statistics for a data set. And in this case, we've collected data on distance walked in meters. This is actually a 2-minute walk test that's used quite commonly in older adults. And we see here that we've entered the data already. This particular person has walked 115 meters, this 116 meters, this person 70 meters in that 2-minute time period. In order to get the descriptive statistics very quickly, what you need to do is you need to look in the tabs that are here in Excel, and we want to go to the tab that says Data, and on the far right hand side you'll see the option of clicking on to Data Analysis. Again, this will be the case only if you've already installed the Data Analysis Toolpak in Excel. So please follow those instructions, get the Toolpak installed, and once you do, you hit on the Data tab, you come over here, you hit on Data Analysis, and you see that there are many different analyses that Excel can perform for us. And down here you see histogram. We're going to click on descriptive statistics today, and we're going to click OK. Alright, our objective is to get a series of descriptive statistics which are going to describe this data that we've entered into this first column A. So what you're going to see first of all, and I'm going to come up here and erase what I did previously, is that we need to input the range of data that is of interest to us. In this case, we're going to want to come over here. I'm going to start at the top of A, and I'm going to actually highlight the label to this column, and I'm going to hold my cursor down as I drag the cursor down to the very bottom of this data set, and I now have the input range indicated in Excel as cell number A1 all the way down to cell number A67. So A1 all the way down to A67 is the input range over which we are now going to compute these descriptive statistics. I make sure that the radio button for columns is clicked. I make sure that the labels in the first row have been clicked because in fact when I did input my data I included the label at the top of the column. Next, what you do is you have a choice. You can have the output for these descriptive statistics go into one of two places. You can click on the radio button that says Output Range, and that will put your output on this particular Excel sheet that you're working on, or you can click here, which tells you that the data summary, the descriptive statistics, are going to go into a new worksheet. And the worksheets in Excel are indicated down here. Currently we're in the first worksheet. I'm actually going to click on Output Range up here. I'm going to decide exactly where I'm going to put this data. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my cursor here. I'm going to say, I want my data output to go right here. I'm going to click on this Summary Statistics, and I'm going to click OK. And very simply, Excel has displayed for us all of the summary statistics for all of the 66 people that we measured the distance walked in. You see here that some of this seems to be cut off. I can come to the top of the column. I can make sure that I display this double arrow and a small bar in between. Click down, drag it over, and that way I can fully see what is displayed here. So click and drag, and you can see here I have my mean, I have my standard deviation, that's a sample standard deviation, my sample variance, I have skewness and kurtosis values. These differ slightly from 0, so it's not a perfectly normal curve. I have min and max values for my data, the range of the scores for the students that did this test, and I did, again, 66 cases. So, again, click on the Data tab, come over here to Data Analysis, choose Descriptive Statistics, and you can get this nice summary output in just a matter of seconds. Thank you.